For number 5, use the fact that 24 times 32 equals 768 to estimate the product and quotient below, and explain how you came to your answer without a calculator. Okay, so this, you can definitely put it in a calculator to get the correct answer. Like if I put 2.4 times 32 in the calculator, it's going to give me the answer 76.8. But the question is, how can you know that it gave me that without the calculator when you know this? And so the answer is, there's lots of different ways you can think of it, but really the only difference between 24 times 32 and 2.4 times 32 is that this is 10 times bigger than this, right? So the answer has to be 10 times bigger than this. And because we have a base 10 decimal system, 10 times just means moving the decimal point once. So you move the decimal point once here, that's like dividing by 10. So you move the decimal point once here because that's like dividing by 10. So if that answer makes sense to you, write that out here. Otherwise, write out your own way of understanding it. Same thing here. We're kind of using the idea and working backwards. So there's 2 steps to imagining this here. If 24 times 32 equals 768, then if I put 2 zeros at the end of 768, right? And I still have a 32 here, then what I'm going to need to have multiplied by is 2400, right? So I'm looking at this and I'm like, okay, well, if this is times itself times 1,000 and the 32 doesn't change, then 24 has to be the thing that's times 1,000. So then when I'm looking at going backwards, then 76,800 divided by 32 is going to equal 24,000. So again, you can write your explanation in words in any way that makes sense to you, but make sure you write it out in words.